2,500.
And for American 18 1, just want to confirm we're clear across future right.
American 18 nope, it didn't give you the crossing, but you are clear to cross by American right now. Continue straight ahead via Alpha and just monitor ground point 9 today.
Okay, great. So, Juliet, Alpha, monitor ground point 9, we are clear across future right, American. Thank you.
Eagle Flight 4146, Kennedy Tower, runway 13 right, line up and wait. Good afternoon, wind 220 at 8 following the Boeing 757, 6 miles ahead, caution equivalent, runway 13 left, clear flat.
It's land runway 13 left, SDN 101, can you confirm minimum altitude now?
Say again?
Can you confirm minimum altitude still passing tracking?
We had 101 heavy, you know what, altitude is actually on discussion.
Discretion is 101, thanks.
Delta 550, Zulu Alpha, then continue straight ahead via Bravo and monitor ground point 9.
Speed check, flaps 2.
2 Alpha, Bravo, monitor ground point 9, good day, Delta 550.
So Lima heading 155, contact New York departure.
155 over New York, phone.
Lights live. Localizer live.
2,500.
Speed check, flaps 3.
Flaps 4.
Gear down. Speed check, flaps 4.
New York, Delta 73 Heavy, with you on the VORDV, left front.
73 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, wind 220 at 8, runway 2 to left, be applied.
Good land, left, Delta 73 Heavy. Tower Delta 217, 1 mile outside of Salt for the VOR
Localizer
13
captured.
left. Contact New York Support to 135.9. I'm Francesco 154.6. Station 688, Quebec here, runway 13 right, clip takeoff. Parking 1769, runway 13 right, line up and wait. Access 669, 13 right, line up and wait.
2 Bravo Quebec.
2 VQ.
2 Bravo Quebec, monitor tower on 123.9 now.
23.9 you said?
Affirmative, 123.9.
123.9, we'll code 2 VQ. And Kennedy Tower, helicopter 12 Bravo Quebec, with you on 23.9. 12 Bravo Quebec, and the altimeter is 299 96. Echo Bravo, getting 96.
Landing checklist.
Landing gear.
Down and locked, 3 greens.
Ground spoilers.
Checked and armed. Medium.
Exterior lights.
On.
Go around altitude.
Set.
Landing memo.
Checked, no blue.
Checklist complete.
Wind 230 at 8, runway 13 left, stay to land, let me know when you have the traffic. PD19, you with me?
The 135.9.
Autopilot off.
Delta 217 has traffic exposed.
Delta 217, thank you.
Yeah, we're done. We'll finish on station over here with like a track route with a handoff to Newark, inbound from Linden. Alright, proceed as requested westbound along track road. Alright, westbound track, 12 Bravo, go back, thanks.
Kennedy Tower, wind 230 at 7, you're following a heavy Boeing 757 on the short final caution equivalent. Runway 2 to left, clear flat.
Clear, 2 to left, 185. 1769, traffic to heavy Boeing 767, touching down, runway 22 left, runway 13 right, close takeoff with 2307.
1,000.
Stop with 6073, Kennedy Tower, 420 turbulence, runway 13 right, line up and wait. T19, can the altimeter that's just out of Port Kennedy for the southwest fence and overhead.
Etihad 101 Heavy, continue straight ahead via taxiway Zulu Alpha, then Bravo, and monitor ground 121.9.
Zulu Alpha, Bravo, ground
500.
198, get 101 settlement.
Delta 73 Heavy, taxi via Juliet, then Alpha, cross runway 2 right, monitor ground 121.9, and start monitoring
400.
down. Have a good day.
Juliet, Alpha on cross, 2 right, and switch monitor Delta.
100 above.
You have a good one.
300.
Mike 76 negative.
Minimum
Delta East,
Continue.
200.
Tower, wind 3207, you're following a heavy long 767 on a 1.5 mile final caution, wing 7 winds, runway 2 to left, clear line.
100. 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 10, 5,
runway 13 left, clear line.
Ground spoilers.
13 left, LD.
Reverse screen.
Eagle flight 3026, traffic now on a 2 mile base, do you have them in sight?
70 knots.
Eagle flight 3826.
Eagle flight 3026, maintain visual separation from the traffic.
Manual brakes.
Auto brakes
Eagle
off.
flight 30. Traffic 673, traffic touching down, runway 22 left, heavy Boeing 767, 12207, runway 13 right, clip take off. 13 right, 0, and Delta 1411, Kennedy Tower, runway 13 right, line up for wing.
Set bearer reference, Captain.
Ground is Air Canada 3402, right on Kilo 3 Delta 5. 340 kilogram taxi, Kilo and Kilo 3. Actually, hold short of
Set
Kilo.
bearer
After landing
reference,
checklist.
Okay, Kilo short of Kilo 3.
Exterior lights.
Checked.
Ground spoilers.
Set off.
Engine mode selector.
Checked normal.
Flaps.
Checked
Set
retracted.
bearer reference, Captain.
Checked standby.
Brake temperature.
Checked.
APU.
Yeah, we're coming
On.
up on November.
Checklist complete.
Capital 3186, 10 behind Air Canada for 27 left, going November, hold short of 27.